Shh, the House of Crimsin Cloth.
What's going on, guys? It's Eric Cham Jr. from the House of Crimsin Cloth. Thank you for rocking with the house. We just got a special package in the mail. It's 2022. This will be the third year that I released a shoe. So let's do a quick recap. In 2020, if you was rocking with me, you probably remember these shoes. Thocc Crusaders. Go check out that unboxing. I'm not gonna open these up and show you. Go check out the unboxing. So I was in 2020, coming from Italy. That was Italian leather. So that was for the women, because you know we put women first. So 2021, the men was like, "Hey, where's my shoe at?" Y'all remember these? Squalo, Dafari, Business Sharks in Italian. Another hit from the House of Crimsin Cloth, Shark Leather. Go check out that unboxing. But now, it's not 2020 or 2021, it's 2022. And it's time for a new shoe. That's 3 years in a row. I don't even play basketball, football, none of that. I don't sell anything besides House of Crimsin Cloth gear. But let's go on and check this out. Coming from Burlington, New Jersey, USA. My third shoe, I hope it's in here. I hope this isn't an empty box or something else. But I have a feeling these are the shoes. The Crusaders, if you ever heard of them. The Thocc Crusaders. I don't even have my box cutter on me, but bear with me. I got the OJ. Yeah, buddy. What are these? Now these are not my high-end shoes. These are not the Squalo, the Faris, or the Thocc Crusaders that come from Italy and the machine paper magnet boxes from Italy. This is a more affordable shoe. The shoe that you guys asked for. Not all of you, but a lot of you. It's like, hey, you know, those shoes are kind of expensive. Can I get an affordable shoe? Well, the Thocc Crusaders is going to quench that thirst right there. Now the box isn't as good as the other one. As you see, it's going through the mail. Could have did a little better job with the post office service, but custom shoes. Boom, custom shoes. Yeah, the box, you know, I'm not responsible for that. That's the shipping. So we're gonna get into that. Thocc Crusaders. I told you I'm coming out with them. A lot of people didn't believe me, but these look beautiful. Look. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The House of Crimsin Cloth right there. Tilted. Inside comes with styrofoam. You know, these are not the Squalos. They don't ship from Italy. They ship from the U.S. Made in America. There we go. Boom. Yeah, buddy. These are nice. These are nice. Always wear a good Chuck Taylor style. Here's the other one. It's the same. It's the left shoe. Let me get that. Yeah. That's the inside. It's all blacked out. Yeah, these are like the reverse, say, Converse, if you will. But these are my canvas shoes, my very first canvas shoes. These are like luxury. These are feel good too. These are luxury canvas. They're padded inside. I can feel the padding. Wow, let me feel the sole. Yeah, the sole has good padding. I have to say these are actually better than the Chuck Taylors, man. I wore Chuck Taylors. I'm from South Central Los Angeles, so I wore a number of pair of Chuck Taylors. But nothing knocking off the Chucks though. I still, you know, rock the Chucks. Those are classic first shoes. Big ups to them. They're the ones who invented the sneaker like that, you know. But yeah, this is quality. I wish you can be here to feel it and touch it, and you have to buy it. So you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, everything is detailed nicely, legible. The House of Crimsin Cloth, you can read it. This is beautiful. So this is my 3rd year, y'all. My 3rd year. And my 3rd shoe. Thank you for rocking with the house. Go to www. Let's say how many W's is that? 3 W's? Yeah, .CRIMSIN.store. That's www.crimsincloth.store. Yeah. Here we go, one more time. One more time for the camera. These are the Thocc Crusaders. Thocc Crusaders. And if you want to change the color up on these, you know how we do it in the hood. Big fat laces. Big fat laces, color laces. Green, blue, red, brown, whatever color, yellow. That's what we doing this summer. Only from the House of Crimsin Cloth. And go check out all the new gear that's available in the store. Crimson Summer is here. Alright then. See you guys later. Bye.
Stars, keeping up with the drama. Stars, make your body sweat in the sauna. Stars, got you looking right in Bahamas.